Hello, everyone. Hello, and welcome back to Better Homes Designs, your ultimate destination for everything outside the house and architectural inspiration. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are stepping into the serene, cozy, and deeply intentional world of Scandinavian cabin design. Often referred to as Hytte or Sommerhus in Nordic countries, this design movement is far more than just a passing visual trend. It is a profound architectural philosophy that prioritizes simplicity, functionality, and a symbiotic connection to the surrounding landscape. Originating from the rugged terrains and extreme climates of Northern Europe, Scandinavian cabin design strips away unnecessary ornamentation to focus entirely on structural honesty and geometric clarity. It bridges the gap between shelter and the wilderness, using crisp lines, thoughtful orientations, and raw materials to celebrate nature. At its core, it embodies the famous Nordic concept of hygge, a feeling of cozy contentment and well-being, achieved through clean spaces, warm textures, and a harmonious balance between internal warmth and external ruggedness. Embracing a Scandinavian cabin design offers an array of lifestyle and practical benefits that resonate deeply in our fast-paced modern world. First and foremost, these structures are inherently sustainable and highly energy efficient. Because they are engineered to withstand harsh Nordic winters, their design emphasizes superior thermal insulation, tight building envelopes, and strategic layouts that optimize natural daylight and passive solar heating. This translates directly to reduced utility costs and a minimal environmental footprint. Beyond the structural advantages, the architectural minimalism of a Scandinavian cabin provides profound mental health benefits. The absence of visual clutter, combined with wide panoramic views of nature, fosters a deep sense of psychological calm, mindfulness, and stress relief. Furthermore, by utilizing durable, locally sourced natural materials like treated timber, stone, and metal, these cabins age gracefully into their environments, requiring significantly less long-term maintenance while retaining timeless aesthetic and market value. To truly master the Scandinavian cabin aesthetic, several non-negotiable architectural elements must work in unison. The first is a dominant, expressive roofline, traditionally a sharp, steep gabled roof or a bold, single-slope monopitch, designed to efficiently shed snow and rain while generating dramatic, high-ceilinged interior volumes. The second essential element is the integration of expansive, floor-to-ceiling glass windows and sliding doors. These large glass surfaces serve to dissolve the physical boundary between indoors and outdoors, letting in an abundance of natural daylight while transforming the changing seasons into living artwork. Materiality also plays a defining role. The best designs prioritize vertical wood siding to emphasize height, standing seam metal roofing for a crisp contemporary edge, and exposed stone or raw concrete for a solid, grounded foundation. Inside and out, a commitment to a restrained color palette of charcoal, slate, soft whites, and natural wood tones ensures the cabin remains anchored to the landscape. Now, let's look at the top 10 best Scandinavian cabin design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible design's ideas. One, the modern gabled Nordic haven with integrated ski chair porch. This design showcases a striking asymmetric gabled silhouette that perfectly balances warm, natural wood tones with contrasting dark charcoal timber cladding. The front facade features a recessed entryway protected by a bold, black timber overhang, creating a cozy and functional porch area complete with a playful, hanging ski chair swing. A beautifully organized, floor-to-ceiling firewood stack is nestled directly against the exterior wall, serving as a rustic visual texture that emphasizes country living. To the side, a premium wood-paneled hot tub sits subtly in the snow, offering an idyllic, luxurious outdoor wellness experience deep in the winter woods. 2. The Triple Pavilion Matte Black Forest Retreat. This expansive architectural concept utilizes three interconnected, single-story gable structures to divide the home into distinct living zones while maintaining a cohesive profile. The entire exterior is wrapped in a sophisticated, vertical matte black with siding that contrasts beautifully against the surrounding lush green pine forest. Each pavilion opens up to its own individual, low-profile weathered timber deck via wide, black-frame double doors, providing seamless indoor-outdoor transitions. A classic stainless steel chimney flue punctures the central roofline, hinting at a warm, wood-burning hearth within. 3. The ultra-minimalist standing seam metal monolith. Redefining modern wilderness architecture, this cabin features a continuous outer shell where both the roof and side walls are clad in crisp, vertical black standing seam metal panels. The sharp, clean geometry lines up flawlessly, presenting a sleek, monolithic appearance that feels incredibly contemporary. To break up the dark exterior, massive square cutouts are framed in thick, light-toned natural oak, revealing bright, open-concept interiors. The large sliding glass pocket doors tuck away completely, merging the dining and living spaces with the untouched mossy forest floor outside. 4. The cantilevered single-slope lakeside pavilion. Emphasizing linear geometry, this single-story cabin boasts an elongated, low-slung profile capped by a dramatic, deep-set mono-pitch roof. The roof overhang features a rich honey-toned tongue-and-groove, with ceiling equipped with recessed spotlights, casting a warm glow over a continuous floating wraparound timber deck. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls run the entire length of the structure, maximizing panoramic views of the rocky terrain and pine trees. The structural foundation is subtly elevated on concrete piers, allowing the cabin to float gracefully above the natural topography without disrupting it. 5. The textured stone and timber Nordic Lodge. This luxurious design seamlessly blends rustic alpine textures with refined Scandinavian minimalism. The main architectural volume features a towering accent wall and chimney stack constructed from meticulously laid gray fieldstone, accented by structural timber columns. This heavy, natural stone texture is paired with horizontal timber siding stained in a rich walnut shade and a crisp, dark metal roof. Expansive triangular clear-story windows fill the peak of the gable, ensuring that even the highest points of the interior vault are flooded with natural light from the forest canopy. 6. The split-level asymmetrical wood slat sanctuary. This layout offers a dynamic, multi-level interpretation of the classic Nordic cabin, featuring an extra-sharp, steep roof slope that forms an eye-catching asymmetrical gable. The exterior is wrapped entirely in natural, horizontally laid weather-treated with siding that will develop a graceful silver patina over time. Strategically placed vertical slit windows and a massive lower corner glass wall illuminate specific zones inside, such as a cozy bedroom and an upper-level loft. A slender black chimney pipe rises from the side, punctuating the dark corrugated metal roofline. 7. The true geometric A-frame snow chalet. A timeless classic perfected, this architecture presents a bold, pure A-frame structure where the steep, dark shingled roof extends all the way down to meet the snow-covered ground. The front triangular facade is constructed from warm cedar panels and divided into 3 tiers of thick, black-framed windows, offering a magnificent, multi-level view of the interior timbers. The elevated front porch sits on a concrete foundation with integrated steps, while the lower crawl space is creatively utilized as a massive, covered wood storage bay that stays dry throughout the winter. 8. The split gable Scandinavian split concept. This brilliant design features a split gable roofline where 2 distinct roof pitches meet at different heights, separated by a vertical cedar-paneled accent wall. The primary exterior cladding consists of a dark charcoal vertical board and batten system, which beautifully highlights the warm, natural timber lining tucked beneath the roof eaves and entry recess. Large, geometric architectural windows mirror the slopes of the roof, creating a perfectly balanced facade that feels highly customized, artistic, and deeply integrated into its rocky woodland setting. 9. The industrial brick and standing seam Nordic duplex. Blending urban industrial elements with Scandinavian cabin sensibilities, this long, Dual gabled structure features an exterior built from textured, charcoal gray elongated bricks. The dark brickwork provides an incredible tactile weight, which is balanced by a sleek, dark standing seam metal roof equipped with modern flush mount skylights. Deep, recessed panoramic window boxes are lined with rich, warm vertical wood slats, creating pocketed zones of light and warmth. Minimalist butterfly chairs rest on a simple flush-to-ground timber deck, offering a clean space for evening relaxation. 10. The coastal Nordic longhouse with floating glass facade. Inspired by traditional Scandinavian fishing longhouses, this elongated, single-story design features a repetitive, rhythmically spaced timber frame structure. The entire roof and rear walls are finished in a weathered, light gray horizontal wood treatment that blends effortlessly into coastal or meadow environments. The front-facing facade is almost entirely glass, separated by thin structural timber posts that support an integrated, covered walkway. Flush lighting along the deck floor illuminates the sheer curtains inside, creating an ethereal, glowing floating effect during the twilight hours. The true magic of Scandinavian cabin design lies in its ability to strip away the noise of the outside world and re-anchor us to what truly matters: comfort, sustainability, and an uninterrupted relationship with nature. Whether you are planning to build your own secluded weekend retreat or looking to bring elements of Nordic minimalism to your current home's exterior, these 10 breathtaking designs prove that simplicity is indeed the ultimate form of architectural sophistication. By combining high-contrast palettes, rich natural materials, and wide-open glass views, you can create a space that feels both cutting-edge and deeply rooted in timeless tradition. If you fell in love with these gorgeous Scandinavian cabin designs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for your regular dose of architectural and exterior design inspiration. Which cabin style was your absolute favorite? Was it the ultra-minimalist metal monolith or the classic snowy A-frame? Let us know in the comments section down below. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a tour of the world's most beautiful homes, and we will see you in the next video.